Today is the day today's the day I fly in a plane.
Today's the day Eric gets to fly in a Cessna. Going up, gonna go check out some sights. We don't have any of that fancy technology where you can hear us on the radio though, so it's just gonna be some B-roll. Hope you guys enjoy it, but yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna fly around here today, show you guys some sights, maybe some good fishing holes, some rivers that we like to fish on, and yeah, just stay tuned.
Yeah, anyways, watching this footage, we're dead. We love our families, love God, we're in heaven.
Godspeed. Well guys, there's a reason why we have this plane and not another plane. It's because we like being in close quarters with each other. Oh, but yeah. So
she does come equipped with 4-point harnesses though.
Yeah, we're prepared to do lazy eights, loops. Not the second thing, but lazy eights. This is a point of view. If you guys have never been in a Cessna before, this is only like my second time ever. This is what it looks like. At least a 150. This is
150G.
And yeah, she's a beaut. But we're gonna get our stuff on. Ladies and gentlemen,
That's a wrap.
that's what it's like to land in a Cessna. It gets a little hot in here, but that's okay. Yeah, car did some good flying. Checked out a couple holes along the Olympics. You guys saw that. Flew up by the Gardner Derby, which we do a lot of fishing out of. So it's good stuff. You guys might see a little bit more of this plane in the channel in the future, but
yeah, we'll see. We flew up to the Strait of Wannafuca, did some messing around, checking out some new fishing spots potentially. Found a lake, looks promising.
couple nice lakes. So
yeah, we'll probably get some videos of us going out fishing on those lakes that we saw today.
So, and then stay tuned because in a couple videos, or not a couple videos, couple weeks, actually I guess a couple days, we're gonna release a nice steelhead video for you guys. So
oh yeah,
stay tuned.
we're going Wednesday. Hopefully the weather's good.
We're gonna smoke them, but but yeah, we're gonna.
Hopefully we can bonk a few, 3 or 4.
We'll see how it goes, but yeah, as always,
Tie lines.